Understanding coughing and sneezing, your guide to basic English vocabulary. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson. Today, we're diving into the world of health and wellness. Specifically, we're focusing on coughing and sneezing, common symptoms you might experience when you're not feeling well. This vocabulary is essential in everyday conversations and will help you express how you or others might be feeling. So, let's get started. Coughing and sneezing are both reflex actions our bodies use to clear irritants in our respiratory system. Coughing is a sudden expulsion of air from the lungs, often to clear the throat or lungs. Sneezing, on the other hand, is a forceful expulsion of air through the nose and mouth, usually caused by an irritation in the nasal passages. Now, let's look at some common phrases and sentences related to coughing and sneezing. When we're talking about coughing, we often use the verb to cough. Let's see it in a few sentences. 1. I've been coughing a lot lately. 2. He coughed during the entire movie. 3. If you have a cough, you should cover your mouth. Remember, we also use words like a cough or a coughing fit to describe the act or episode of coughing. Similarly, when discussing sneezing, we use the verb to sneeze. Let's look at some example sentences. 1. She sneezed into her elbow. 2. I always sneeze when I'm around cats. 3. The dust made me sneeze. We can also describe the action of sneezing with phrases like a sneeze or a sneezing fit. Often, we use adjectives to describe the severity or type of the cough or sneeze. Here are some examples. 1. He has a dry cough. 2. She has a bad cough. 3. I heard a loud sneeze from the other room. 4. My allergies cause violent sneezing. And that wraps up our lesson on coughing and sneezing. These are everyday terms that you'll come across often, whether you're at the doctor's office or simply watching a movie. Remember, being able to describe how you feel is a key part of learning a language. So keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these phrases like a pro. In our next lesson, we'll be exploring more vocabulary related to health and wellness. But until then, keep learning, stay curious, and most importantly, stay healthy. Happy learning!